Hello everyone, welcome. So in front of me I got this LEGO Shuttle. Recently I was trying to rebuild it and I actually noticed that the pieces were quite yellowed. It was missing stickers, some pieces were broken, so it was not in a good condition, so not quite suited for the usual builds I do on my channel, or in general. The set is worth more than that to just disappear as old pieces. So what I did, I tried to restore it a bit. So first of all, I tried to get the pieces back to more or less white, so it's not 100%, but I'm quite happy with the result I got. You will see more in the video if you stick around. I also bought some aftermarket stickers, so this is the remaining of the sticker sheet. So I already put them on here, as you can see, and actually pretty happy with those stickers. It really looks good. Of course, they're not the original LEGO stickers since you can't get them anymore, but pretty happy with it. And finally, I also got some missing pieces, so like for example this one here. Again, you will see it further in the video. I got it online, I bought it, and I restored, so to speak, this shuttle to its former glory. So in this video we'll see how I done it. So basically there will be a montage of all the steps, and finally I also will put up a link for the speed build of this one in the description and in the boxes probably on the left top. I also will put a picture up in the left corner of how the set looked basically before restoration with the broken pieces, how extremely yellow it was and so on. So anyway, I will stop the talking, let's get to it, and enjoy the video.